As you can see, guys, hydraulic fluid is coming out. Oh, there you go. See? Just dropped it on the ground. Yeah, after you do this, guys, you might have to put hydraulic fluid in. So just be prepared to do that. Make sure your levels are where they're supposed to be on whatever machine that you got. But yeah, here's the old pump, or the old valve, I should say, not pump. And here's the new one. I'm gonna put this bad boy on. Now, they literally have little plastic pieces that are protecting the new one. So now I gotta get that off. And then, literally, it's gonna go like this. Like this, right on here. This hose is gonna go here. This hose is gonna go here. No, excuse me. It's the other way around. It's gonna go like this. And then hold on. Yeah, it's gotta go like this. That's exactly how it goes. These little threaded holes that obviously are not there on this, we're not gonna need that for this situation. But that's literally in and then back out. So these two, this piece and this piece, go into here. I need a camera guy or a tripod or some shit and some editing, but I could teach you guys how to do this kind of shit all day. And guess what? I don't have a fucking clue. I just figure it out. I've been doing stupid shit like this my whole life. So, you know, instead of taking it to somebody and spending $1 million, I'll do it myself.